Hi friends, and welcome back to Canva Bestie. Today we're going to learn how to create a resume for free in Canva. Let's jump in. So to start, let's navigate to Canva's homepage and search resume to see what they have available. As you can see, they have a ton of different options, and you'll notice while looking that some of them have a little crown in the corner, and that indicates that it's for the Pro version, so you do need Canva Pro. We want to do this free, however, so let's try and find a resume that we think we'll like without the crown in the corner. So let's keep looking, see if we can find one that we like. I think I'm going to go with this one because it has the photo, and we're going to click it to bring it up. Just going to take a look here. Yeah, this is good. Okay, perfect. We're going to customize this template, and it's going to take us right into our new design. Okay, so we're in our design. It's super important to note that everything you see is editable. That's the great thing about Canva, is anything you can select, you can change and edit. Let's zoom in for a better view so you can see the edits I'm making, and we're going to start with the title. So to select a text box, you just want to hover over it and click once and it will select it, or you can click twice and it will highlight, and you can edit the text just by starting to type. You can do this with every single text box you see on the resume, like I'm doing it with my job position here, clicking, then I'm double clicking to edit. If you want to change the font, you just have to select, hit the font button up here, and then you will have access to all Canva's fonts. All you have to do is select the font you like and it will change it on your design. Now you can do a couple other things with your text boxes as well. You can change the text color by selecting text color. You can change it to any color you want, or you can use Canva's great color wheel. You can also bold the text, italicize, underline, you can make it all uppercase, and you can also adjust your line spacing and your letter spacing. Another really good Canva tip I want to add in here is that when you go into your fonts with an element selected and scroll up, you can see all the fonts that are already in your documents, so this will keep your whole design a lot more consistent. All you have to do is click and it will change it. Next up, if your resume has a photo like mine does, we obviously want to change that to our own photo. We're just going to select it and click the garbage can. We can either delete the image or delete the frame. We just want to delete the image so we can put our own photo in there. Now to put your own picture in the frame, all you have to do is upload it to Canva. To upload it, go over to Uploads and select Upload Files, or you can go over to Elements like I'm doing and search for a photo or graphic that you want to put in the frame. Once you find your picture, hold, click, and drag over and it will snap right into the frame. Now, if your template includes design elements like mine does, like lines or shapes, all you have to do is select them and you can easily customize them. You can change their color, you can change the thickness of the line, and you can change the line type. And for shapes and elements like this, it's the same thing. It brings up your menu and you can easily customize it just by clicking. You can also adjust your transparency as well. And a little tip here, if you ever make a mistake with your design and you want to go back, all you have to do is press the undo button at the top. You can press it as many times as you want, and if you undo too much, you can press redo and it will go right back. Now, if you want to add elements to your design, like lines or shapes, or even these little pictures in your contact info, for example, let's add a phone here, and I'll show you how to do that. You just want to navigate over to Elements here and search for what you want. We're going to search phone. Then beside graphics, I'm going to select See All, and you can see all the options you have, and you can easily just click it. It will go onto your canvas. You can click and drag to size it down, and you can put it right where you want it. Once you're happy with how your resume looks, it's very important to save it. So head over to Share in the right-hand corner, select Download, then select your file type. I always recommend PDF Standard or PDF Print for resumes. Either or, they'll both give you good quality. Select one, you can flatten it, you can add crop lines, and you can also change the color profile. Once you have that all ready to go, all you have to do is click Download, and it will go right to your computer, and you can send it or print it as you please. There you have it, folks. That is how you edit a resume template in Canva for free. I hope that I helped you out, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next one.